So if you want to get into Symbiosis Law School and wondering how to crack SLAT 2026, you are in the right place. Hi guys, I am Ayantika, your legal faculty here at Catapult, and in today's video, I'll break down the most effective preparation strategy, section-wise tip, and how to ace both SLAT exam and your personal interview. So before you start preparing, you need to know the exam pattern. So SLAT basically tests you in 5 sections, that is legal reasoning, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, general knowledge and reading comprehension passages. That is 60 questions in 60 minutes, so time management is as important as accuracy. Remember, each question carries 1 marks with no negative marking. So you should attempt all the questions. Now let's dive into how to prepare for each section smartly. I'll start with legal reasoning. So this is the most important section for your exam. So you'll get principal facts-based questions or legal awareness-based questions for which you need to know the basics of law, that is contract law, tort law, criminal law, and constitution law. Practice legal reasoning questions from CLAT or AILETS material. You can also practice legal reasoning questions from AILETS or CLAT material. Focus on applying the principles and not memorizing the laws. Also read landmark judgment summaries for awareness. Now coming to logical reasoning. So logical reasoning basically tests how well you can identify the patterns, conclusions and arguments. Practice puzzles, syllogisms, statement conclusions and cause-effect questions. Use apps or books like R.S. Agarwal for practicing. You can also set a timer and aim for 1 question per minute. Now coming to analytical reasoning, this section will include data interpretation, blood relations, number series and directions. Focus on solving these quickly without rough work whenever possible. Practice mocks and questions from other materials because this section might eat up your time. Use shortcuts for sequence and arithmetic problems. Now coming to reading comprehension. So 12 reading comprehension passages means speed and comprehension is your key. Read editorials from the Hindu newspaper and the Indian Express newspaper daily. Practice 1 comprehension passage every day and analyze your mistake as to where you are going wrong. Also, you can work on inference-based questions because SLAT prefers them. Now coming to the general knowledge section, this can be your highest scoring section if you stay consistent. Focus more on current affairs of the last 12 months, especially legal news, government schemes, any notifications, etc. Read daily from GK websites like GK Today or use monthly compendiums if you feel necessary. Make short notes for your revision and remember to revise after a week. Now that you know what to study, let's talk about strategy. So if you have 6 months' time in your hand, study for 2 hours each day. Divide your week, giving 1 hour on legal every day and 1 hour rotating on reading comprehension passages, GK and logical reasoning. Now let's talk about how to ace your personal interview. Remember that your personal interview will carry 30 marks out of the total 100 marks. Prepare questions like why law, why Symbiosis Law School. Be aware about current affairs and current legal affairs based opinions and practice the question tell me about yourself in front of the mirror or you can record yourself. To sum up, practice legal reasoning every day. Be aware about GK. Stay consistent and revise. Build reading habits and solve mock under time pressure. Also, remember to start preparing for your personal interview as soon as your SLAT exam ends. Consistency beats cramming, so start now. Thank you and see you in the next video.